Welcome back. In part 2, we will be exploring Kashid beach in detail. We are entering the beach. Again, you can see lot of stalls here. नको नको इज a horse ride. केवढा असते horse ride? 100 रुपये. Horse ride available 100 rupees. So many horses here and a lot of water sports, right? You can see the beach here. ते समोर का तिकडे जेटी आहे का? जेटीचं काम चालू आहे. So I think there is a jetty work is going on. I think yeah. You can see. आणि हे समोरचं का बीचच आहे का? रस्ता आला का डोंगर? हां ते कॉर्नर बीच कॉर्नर यस. हां रॉनी रॉनी किती वर्षाचा आहे? 6. किती वर्ष करतात म्हणजे असं बीचवरती तो? हां नाही हा घोडा 4 वर्ष म्हणजे 2 वर्ष असणं करायला लागलं. गुड व्हेरी गुड. नाव वी आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द सी. You can see lot of water sports, skiing, ski jetting, para gliding. They have a horse ride also, buggy ride. You can see a lot of buggies. You can see the shore, the waves, the shore, beautiful. Here you can see a lot of water sports. See, and see these boats here. Lot of water sports. Beach buggy also available. Got the beach buggies. Now we are sitting in a buggy. We are going for a ride. Let's go. See, we are going on a ride. This is the tour of Kashid beach. And our tour guide, now what is the tour guide is Anish. Anish is taking for a ride. I know. Anish is taking us for a ride. You can see the waves here. Beautiful. Very good. Look at the waves. Beautiful waves. Look at the waves. Beautiful. I can see the horse galloping. Look at this horse. We are going on a ride, buggy ride. And you can see the stalls here. All stalls are there. Food stalls, clothes stalls, coconut water, all beach accessories, everything is available. Even horses are available. Motor sports is there. Jet skiing is there. Everything is available. can see the waves, you can see the water scale. Lot of people enjoying the sea, Kashid beach. You can see beach buggy is also here. Beach buggy is here. You can see a camel. The camel ride is also there. See camel. The camel ride is available. Now we are going to the other side of the beach. On the left you can see a lot of coconut trees. Lush green. There is a small hillock here. Lot of coconut trees. You can see the sun also. Now sunset. You can see the sunset now. Sunset on Kashid beach. Sunset on Kashid beach. Beautiful. Beautiful sunset at Kashid beach. You can see slowly the sun is coming down. And you can see the reflection of sun in the water. Beautiful. Sunset at Kashid beach. Beautiful sunset. You can see the sun slowly going down the horizon. Now sun is almost down now. Sun almost down. Final view of the Kashid beach at sunset. You can see a lot of people around. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Don't forget to watch part 3 of this vlog as I will be exploring Nandgaon and Murud beaches. Like, follow, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon.